We're here to talk about something serious. Detroit to Toronto. Mental illness is real and the impact it can make in our lives. Detroit to Toronto, if I could do it all over again, the Chris Bosh Foundation, seeing them grow into men and women. Mental illness doesn't discriminate, regardless of age or social and economic status. Now hearing them as adults having anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, no one should be ever ashamed of it. I had to go and get an actual therapist because mental illness affects people differently one way or another. I'm going to talk a little bit to one of my grown men now, Jamar Clark, as he shares with us his experience with mental illness and how he overcame it, and seeing a therapist and how medication is actually helping him with his experience. We'll talk to Mohsen Khattak, just my guy from starting in Toronto, Ontario. The Chris Bosh Foundation would not be anything without Mohsen Khattak. My guy Mo, he was with Skadden Court Community Center, but now with Alexandria Court Community Center in Toronto, Ontario, losing a friend and cousin to mental illness. Resources are available. Let's take a listen to Mohsen. Every chance of quality of life. If someone needs assistance, you know to seek it. I know the journey. And it's being eye-opening, rewarding for me. But the reality is mental illness is real. Like dealing with the separation of not having my therapist every day, but listening to the support and reminding me that I'm not alone. You're not alone. And when you can grow and have the opportunity, Toronto to Detroit, Detroit to Toronto, bringing this opportunity together and leveraging the AI tools, building digital real estate. That's what we're here for. And so proud of Shane Reeder, commercial digital real estate for real estate in downtown Ontario. I just happy that the journey of God already had the path planned in. I was just a pawn on the chessboard. Billionaire mindset and motivation starts with you. And take a listen, support, remind that you're not alone. If you need help, get help. Adrienne Mays is here for you, but you have to be here for you. Take action. Listen to your thoughts, your body, as you only have one. Your unique you is unique to you. You're not alone. You are not alone. You have the support to grow your brand as the unlimited possibilities online gives you the opportunity. So if you are someone that's struggling to find a coach or a mentor or someone you can actually trust, stick with me. Can SEO change digital marketing, changing the layout of how digital marketing looks online for businesses and brands, building to build billionaire status, helping brands understand that the money is a tool.